Hello there, and welcome to today's training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you on how to install Facebook Pixel in WordPress. Let's get started. You'll first have to log in into your WordPress backend using the username and the passwords. The very fast and the easiest method is through the navigation panel provided on the left section of WordPress admin. You'll navigate to Plugins and select New. From the list of plugins in this page, you'll go to the search area and type in Facebook Pixel and press enter to search. A list of plugins related to Facebook Pixel will show up. You'll agree with me that Facebook changed its name to Meta, and the plugin that we'll be installing is Facebook Pixel, which happens to be the second plugin on my panel. I'll click on install, and once the installation is complete, I'll activate. And voila, you have just installed Facebook Pixel into your WordPress installation. I will also be showing you the manual way of installing Facebook Pixel into your WordPress. I'll click on Plugin and select New Plugin. On the plugin window that shows up, I'll want to upload my plugin. But first of all, I need to download it. If you haven't downloaded, you can navigate to wordpress.org, and from the search area, you can type Pixel, Facebook Pixel. The alternative is to navigate directly into the plugins page, and in the search area for the plugin, you download Facebook Pixel. The same Pixel plugin shows up. I'll click on MetaPixel for WordPress, select download, and once it's done, you navigate to your WordPress, select upload plugin, choose the plugin. There we go. Select, open, and install. The plugin should take a few seconds to install into a WordPress distro. Once the installation is complete, select Activate Plugin and you're ready to use your plugin. Well, don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link is in the description below. And if you like this video, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next nugget.